Hey there, welcome to tutorial number 3 in Visualogyx University's tutorial series. Last tutorial we went over how to create a template or how to import a template, and now we're going to go to how to create a new inspection. So it all starts with going to the inspections module here under your team. We're going to click on that, and then you're going to go to the blue plus button on the bottom right, tap that, and from there you can select any of the templates that you have imported or created. Once you tap on the desired template, voila, you can start working on your inspection. Let's say you want to change the title. You can click on that little pencil at the top, which takes you to the details, and from there you can put the new title of the inspection you want to do. So for this example, it's a home inspection. We could do 196 Glades Road. Go back, have that update, and then you can proceed to conduct the entire inspection. And once you're finished, you can sign off and mark it as complete. And there you go. Congratulations on completing your first inspection.